Oh, 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 Hawk Tuah Girl. She's been living in a Hawk Tuah world. I bet she's never had to try, but her mama's told her exactly why. I'm pissed off with the Hawk Tuah Girl. She's been living in her Hawk Tuah world. She just took the chance while she can, and now I'm stuck as a jealous man. That's what I am. And when she saw it and took the chance she could, and when she used it just as anyone would, being a creative's tough, just because I'm not as good as a Hawk Tuah Girl. I've seen her in a Hawk Tuah world, getting all of this success, while my life's a big hot mess. She made a choice. Oh, 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 Hawk Tuah Girl. You know I can't compete with that girl, but maybe if reality kicks in, I'll understand what a fool I've been and just give in. And while I work and make art all the time, and while I write stuff and sometimes it rhymes, being a creative's tough, but she got there with dumb luck as a Hawk Tuah Girl. She's gained from a media world. She just took the chance while she can, and now I'm stuck as a jealous man. That's all I am. Oh, 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 Hawk Tuah Girl. She's the Hawk Tuah Girl. You know I'm annoyed with the Hawk Tuah Girl. That Hawk Tuah Girl. You know I'm sick of the Hawk Tuah Girl. That Hawk Tuah Girl. You know I'm pissed off with that Hawk Tuah Girl. That Hawk Tuah Girl. Yeah, no hard feelings to the last. She grabbed the opportunity while she can. My real criticism was of social media as a whole and the world as a whole. Anyone sensible would have taken the same opportunity she did. So good on her for grabbing it. So no hard feelings on her personally.